Everything you need to know about several common enzymes. Enzymes work in a mild environment, similar to the physical environment of living organisms. Enzymes support life by synthesizing and degrading the materials that make up the components of the organism and creating energy. The enzyme acts as a highly selective catalyzer, allowing selective catalysis of specific reactions, reaction specificities, and specific substances. Enzymes are molecules, especially proteins, that help to accelerate biochemical reactions by interacting with components, reactants and products, without permanently changing them. This promotion process is called catalysis, and accordingly, the enzyme is recognized as a catalyst. Like many participants in the microbiology community, the names of enzymes can be lengthy and cumbersome, and almost all names end with ase. However, if you are familiar with the formal system of enzyme naming, you can unravel many mysteries about the function of a given enzyme without knowing exactly what reaction the enzyme catalyzes. Enzymes are affected by many conditions, such as temperature and pH, acidity, and are inhibited in a number of ways. The enzymes are classified according to the type of reaction catalyzed and the substance being acted upon, called the enzyme substrate. The suffix ase is usually appended to the name of the main enzyme substrate to which the enzyme acts. Specifically, the enzyme or stimulator is essentially an activated protein that can react to living organisms. In addition, these special globular proteins act as catalysts and cause little or no biochemical reactions in the body. In short, the role of enzymes is to initiate physiological processes that keep us healthy and energized. It must always be remembered that important actions, such as energy production, nutrient absorption, hormone regulation, wound healing, and toxin removal, require a sufficient amount of stimulant. Enzymes work in a mild environment, similar to the physical environment of living organisms. Enzymes support life by synthesizing and degrading the materials that make up the components of the organism and creating energy. The enzyme acts as a highly selective catalyzer, allowing selective catalysis of specific reactions, reaction specificities, and specific substances, enzyme substrate specificity. The use of enzymes to improve human life remains a key attribute and principle of biotechnology. Currently, there are more than 4,000 different types of enzymes whose effects have been studied, used and safely applied in various industries. The categories of enzymes currently used mainly include metabolic enzymes. Interestingly, they are present in every cell and are responsible for triggering millions of different biochemical reactions that occur in living organisms per second. You will be surprised to find that these stimulants play a major role in different body functions, such as breathing to maintain the immune system. Digestive enzymes, as the name implies, these stimulants are essential for our chemical decomposition by breaking down food into smaller foods so that they can be easily absorbed and utilized by the body. Furthermore, unlike metabolites, these catalysts are called extracellular and are found outside the cellular structure. These are mainly produced in the endocrine glands and pancreas and are actively secreted at different points along the gastrointestinal tract. The total number of digestive enzymes is around 22, and the following are the most commonly discussed. Lipase promotes fat breakdown. Amylase helps digestion of carbohydrates. Cellulase power fiber digestion. Lactase, milk sugar, lactose, decomposition, useful in dairy products. Phytase, supports overall digestion and manufacture of B vitamins. Protease, responsible for protein breakdown. It is known that different foods, especially raw foods, contain naturally occurring irritants that place a burden on the digestive tract and decompose immediately after eating. During the digestion process, the body's intake of these enzymes will greatly reduce the pressure on the digestive tract. In addition, the presence of these enzymes can also promote nutrient uptake. In the recent period, the food enzyme market has experienced a sudden increase, mainly due to the digestive problems faced by people. All types of enzymes are important for tracking the health functions of the human body. Loss of enzymes can also cause severe gastrointestinal symptoms such as constipation, cramps, heartburn and bloating. Disease, chronic stress, malnutrition, and overdose can disrupt the internal production of the enzyme. Since most of the processed and packaged foods we consume are strictly managed and even transported extensively before the store is sold free reprint articles, the diet we provide is often lacking in freshness in terms of enzyme richness.